Hey everybody, I'm Paul, your local realtor and guide to South Florida, and welcome back to a special holiday edition. Today we are at the Heathcote Botanical Gardens up here in Fort Pierce, and we're going to take a look at their Garden of Lights. It's a holiday tradition. The gardens have been here since the 1960s, and each year they light it up with all these beautiful Christmas lights. It's a really great family event, so let's go take a look.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And so you can walk through the gardens here. They have these bonsai gardens, which is really neat, and all the bonsai trees are lit up. So just a beautiful gardens and a beautiful place to come for the holidays here, located in Fort Pierce. And this place goes around for just a good ways. It's pretty big, and there's all kinds of really neat, unique displays. And of course, it wouldn't be a holiday light show if you didn't have Mr. and Mrs. Claus, Santa Claus here. So that's fun for the kids. So like I said, really nice place to come and see all the beautiful lights, and of course a little visit with Santa Claus as well. And of course, they got places you can come out here to get like some snacks. There's a food truck, and there's some places over here where it looks like they have coffee and some cookies and probably cocoa, and then arts and crafts. So lots of fun stuff to do. By the way, admission is only $10 if you're not a member, and I think if you're a member, it's like maybe $5. But we're not members, so we paid $10 to get in. But we're up here with my mother-in-law and my son, and we're having a good time. It's a really beautiful place. All right, guys, so that was the Garden of Lights up here in Fort Pierce at the Heathcote Botanical Gardens. It's a beautiful exhibit. As I said earlier in the video, it's only about $10 per person. I think it's a little less if you're a member of the garden club, but all in all, really great family tradition to come out during the holidays. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and please subscribe, like, and share.